Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from Go Academy. I want to take a moment and I want to talk about the team poster challenge. A teacher asked me about this recently and I thought I'd take a moment and share with you the thought process behind this challenge. This is something, by the way, that we've been doing for the last, I'd say, 15 years working with teachers. Every single group has been asked to do a team poster of some kind in some shape or form. And here's the idea behind it. Everyone here that's listening to me right now is a teacher, and you're getting ready to take a really challenging, and sometimes it can be a very isolating and overwhelming teacher certification exam. And the team poster challenge, what it's meant to do, it's meant to the days before your exam help you focus on empowering you with a positive message, a team mentality, meaning you're going into this test, you're charging into this test, and you're not alone. And it's meant to be empowering and positive, because this is sort of that positive mental cycle that you need going into a test to stay relaxed and loose when you're answering those questions, because otherwise you get worried and scared and nervous and that anxiety comes, and that's no good on any type of exam. So I'm going to show you some examples of team posters, and I want to also go through the ideas, the rules behind them. But these are all teachers that submitted a team poster after they participated in the class. They had fun with it. I asked teachers to come up with an original name. I love this one. Early Risers. This is such a fun one. Such a nice early childhood team. An original name, at least 5 different colors, and you want it to be over the top positive. This one was by Michael. This is a really fun one. It says here, I'll disappear myself here so you can read it. It says here, it's very positive, and it says here, I'll disappear. Failure makes me work even harder. Michael Jordan. He gave a quote. This is William quoting Michael Jordan. You know, team, you don't have to have an amazing artwork. It's about the effort. It's about you choosing to do something positive and creative the night before your exam, something that's going to sort of frame your thought process as you go into your exam, something that might inspire the next group of reading rocket teachers to rock their exam, or the next multi-subject team to do amazing, or this is a math team. And look at this, all the math that's there. I love that. I love that math there. So team, I want you to have fun with this team poster challenge, okay? It's meant to be fun. It's meant to lighten it up the days before your exam. And you can get as creative as you want to. That's what you want to be. That's what you want to embrace. I love this one too. Kindness is the key. So team, let me go through this was a literacy one. Let me go through, I've given you examples. Oh, this is an awesome one. This is from Natalie. Look at that. Onset rhyme, syllabication, alliteration. Awesome. Let me go through the rules. Play to win. The rules are very simple. You want to come up with an original name, have at least 5 colors, and be over the top positive. And you email it to Go Academy when you're finished with your studies, or during your 30-day window. Team, this is meant to be fun. It is not required, but you know what? I think it's going to help. Okay, I think that doing it, the act of doing it, of choosing to do something fun and positive the days before your test, I think that's always a good thing. So try it. Give it a shot, team, okay? We've been doing this for a long time. There's a reason why this is called Go Team, okay? So I want you to go team and submit those posters and have fun with them, okay? It's not too late. You can still send them in. I can't wait to see them, team, and I can't wait to share them with the next group of teachers to help inspire them as well. All right, team. Good luck. All right. Keep me posted, and I can't wait to see your posters. Take care, team. Bye-bye.